Good afternoon from Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to take a look at the 2021 Boston Whaler 17-foot Montauk. This boat has a white hull and a red pinstripe. It is outfitted with a Mercury 4-stroke engine in black. Let's take a look inside the boat. Okay, now that we're inside the boat, we're going to start at the stern. You can see there's 2 comfortable seats for passengers. If we go towards the helm station, you'll notice that there's a seat that articulates forward and backward. Forward when you're driving the boat and backward when you want to be social and entertain your guests, family, or friends. You'll notice that the helm station is equipped with fusion radio and everything that you need to drive the boat safely. Over here on the side of the helm station, we have an area for your tackle. Going up towards the front of the boat, you'll notice that there's plenty of storage space underneath. There's 4 rod holders in front of the helm station, and underneath this seat, conveniently located, is a cooler for ice and all the fish that you catch that day. For more information about this boat or any other boat, please contact us at 239-481-8200. Have a great day.